Good day, folks. I'm going to show you how to send Wetransfer files. So if you go into Google and you search Wetransfer, it should be the very first search result, and it is wetransfer.com. And all you need to do is go ahead and upload your files on the left-hand side. So there's no need to sign up or log in. All you need to do is click on the blue plus icon. From here, you're going to go ahead and select the files that you would like to add and send. So we're going to just go ahead and select a couple images, and once we're done, we're going to go ahead and tap on open. From here, you can see all the files that have been uploaded. You can now go ahead and tap on get a link. On the left hand side in this window, you will now also see that the files are busy being uploaded. It also asks you not to close the window until your transfer is complete. It also gives you a rundown of the actual transfer that you've done, and you can now go ahead and tap on copy link and send it and share it wherever you would like. If this was helpful, please drop us a like. We'll see you next time.